Hi children, let's read A sound sentences. A sound sentences. A M-A-N man. S-A-T sat. O-N on. A M-A-T mat. A man sat on a mat. A man sat on a mat. Now next. S-A-M Sam. HAS has. A VAN van. Sam has a van. Sam has a van. Next. The. RAT rat. RAN ran. INTO into. A HAT hat. The rat ran into a hat. The rat ran into a hat. Next. A FAT fat. CAT cat. HAD had. A RAT rat. A fat cat had a rat. A fat cat had a rat. A LAD lad. HAD had. A MAP map. A lad had a map. A lad had a map. A LAD lad. HAS has. A BAT bat. A lad has a bat. A lad has a bat. RAM ram. SAT sat. ON on. A MAT mat. Ram sat on a mat. Ram sat on a mat. Thank you children.